and this side. And when you're... All right, boys and girls, here we go with addition to 10. These problems look a little different than other ones that you've seen, but they're all still the same. So I'm going to do some with you, and then I want you to try it on your own. Now remember, when we find the answer, we write it under the line. We don't write it next to the problem. That's an easy mistake to make when you're in first grade. So if I look at 3 and 5, I know that 5 is the bigger number, so I hop 3 spaces and I land on 8. So I'm going to write 8 below the line. Good. So the next problem is 4 plus 2. 4 is the bigger number, so I go 4, and then I hop 2 spaces, and the answer is 6. So I'm going to write 6 under the line. Now the next one's trying to be tricky because the 3 is on top and then the 6, but the 6 is the bigger number. So I'm going to put my pencil on 6 and hop 3 spots to 9. Okay, so I want you to work on this side. All finished. I want you to raise your hand so I can come check it.